So I'm out here at a job today in Caringbah for a customer who's still on ADSL and got a POTS line service. Basically, he's got ADSL working, obviously really slow, but he's got no dial tone. There's just like an earth hum on the line when you listen to the phone. Now, this cable is really, really old. This thing here, they call them a bomb joint. Right, it's all encapsulated, but his cable, this one here, is lead. So this is like a 60, 70-year-old cable. So this whole street's probably still got them. So I thought I'd just check to see if I could see any breaks in the cable, the lead cable coming here. But these bomb joints were renowned for being problematic. But out of that bomb joint, you can see there's a PVC cable, this one here, and then that will run up into the Telstra CAN. But what I found is this. So you can see there, it's all broken. So when you've got no dial tone and you still got ADSL, it means it's open circuit one leg, and I can see the copper there is split. This was probably stuck under the lid. Right, when I pulled that lid up, it was really hard to get up. And you see that's been damaged, and it's been damaged for a really long time. So look, I'm just going to chop into it and just put a snot box on it, just fix it with this customer. So Telstra or NBN, I'm saving you a call out on this one. You guys owe me for this. So this customer here in Caringbah, I've just checked, right, so I just showed you before that there is a lead lead-in cable going into the premises. Now, I just connected these up with snotties, with Scotch locks, chopped them away, and I thought maybe, I went back inside and there was no dial tone, there was still this earth hum on the line. So I thought maybe it's this old bomb joint. Right, now this guy's been trying to get onto Telstra to get someone to come out here since January, and he's been calling the call centre and there's no one answering. He goes through to, they tell him to try and do it online. He's saying he's going through and try and get action online. He's got nothing happening. There's just dead links on there. So he can't get anyone to come out and fix this problem. So I'm going to do this little part for him because I thought, why not, you know? So that's that bit I just cut out. That was, as you can see there, you know, the copper on it was actually broken. But that bomb joint probably should be cut out. But this part here, right, this is the part going back up to the Telstra CAN, back up that way. And there's still no dial tone on it. There's still this earth hum on it. So I'll see if you can hear this hum. I'll put it up to the phone, and you're going to need someone from Telstra's going to have to come out here and get this sorted out because this has been going on since January. This is ridiculous.